Investors in the leased government-owned sugar factories are expected to invest a combined 6.5 billion shillings to revitalize the sugar subsector. Kenya Sugar Board Chairperson Nicolas Gumbo says the leasing will operationalize the sugar development levy that will go towards sugarcane and infrastructure development.
The fact that we have settled on these four companies is largely based on their competitiveness and their track record running similar operations within the country. As to the 30 years, I personally would think it is optimal because these guys have to realize a return on investment. It will take time for them now to get to optimal levels of production, and so many modeling has gone into this, and from where I sit, I think that is the time that they will need now to be able now to put these factories on a profitability footing while also realizing their return on investment.
There's going to be free trade within Africa as a continent. So what will happen? Cargo sugar is going to be coming into Kenya duty free, and we have ratified. So it is compulsory that our prices of cane and sugar must be competitive for those farmers to flourish, for the factories also to flourish.